Manny, I want to join you.
What? Why?
Because I want to be with you.
Cool.
Okay.
Alright, grease up.
Alright, grease up. I need shoes, Manny. Manny, I need shoes. Which train we gonna get in, Manny?
I want that one, sucker.
That one? Let's go.
Oh.
Hello?
Hello. The train conductor has suffered from a heart attack and died.
Oh my god!
The train cannot be stopped.
We can't stop the train!
Oh my god, Manny, it's a lady.
How do we stop the train? You gotta go to the first car and turn off the engine because all the engines are connected. Alright, I'll do that. I'll go to the first car. No, you can't do it. Your hand's busted and there's no railings and the train's going really fast.
Hey, Manny, I'll do it for you. You ain't got no hand. I'll do it. We partners.
Alright, we're partners.
We partners.
Alright.
Damn it, Manny.
Oh, man, what's he doing? Let him in! No, he can't come in. Let him in! You can do it, sucker! You can do it, sucker! Get him free! You can do it, sucker! No!
Don't touch her, Manny. I'll kill you, Manny. I swear I will. I'll kill you. I'll still kill you, Manny. Oh, I will. I swear I will.
Oh my god!
Hey, where's that train?
I can't tell you where the train is. I got a lot of work to do. I gotta stop this train. I gotta talk to you.
I got 2 criminals on that train. I've never lost 2 criminals.
I don't care about how many criminals you got on that train. I gotta stop a train or a lot of people are gonna die. I gotta take a piss.
Hey, you better not be messing with me. I got 2 criminals, and I can't afford to lose them.
Okay, I'll help you out.
Man, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. The train's going too fast.
I don't want to die alone. Hold me. Heh. Everyone dies alone. Heh. Fist this sucker. Fix it. Gotcha.
You might have me. There's no way you're gonna kill us all.
Really? It's just you and me. I'm gonna detach us from the rest of the trip.
Merry